Hello, YouTube land. Let me see if you can see this thing. Okay. This is a mini J-rod, and if you're on a budget, this is great. This is excellent for downstreaming. I'll show you how high you can get with this tip. You know, might be in another video, but I didn't explicitly show this, and I will put a link. Affiliate links at no extra cost to you. I may make a small commission on qualifying purchases, and I mean small. As a matter of fact, you need a microscope to see it most of the time. You can pick it up with a pair of tweezers. Anyway, what I like about popping this baby out, you know, besides for downstreaming, you have your fan spray, and this is a 2-story tip, and or a more powerful stream. And what I like is, you know, you can rinse with the X-Jet by just turning off the chem knob, and then you're shooting straight water. However, you still have to tote around the tank. So I just pop that out and I put this baby in, and you know, I'm free raining and actually even get a further stream. So let's see. And also always, you know, make sure when you, if you have a recoil starter like this, make sure you know, you take the slack out and, you know, get it firm before you pull it, because sometimes and have a firm grip, because sometimes these things kick back. You know, it's a good thing, you know, my hands are, you know, calloused and everything, but it can rip it right out of your hands sometimes when it kicks back. So always be aware of that. Very fast, easy. if I had a downstream on there, and you can see how high I could have gone, even higher. Excellent, you know, excellent distance. And this is only, I think, like 3.5 gallons a minute. So getting up there, no problem. However, I do see areas I have to treat. I am using a weaker mix. I do that to be on the safe side. And plus I'm using up some old chem. Yeah, so I'm gonna treat it again, but you get the idea. And what else? I thought I wanted to add something. Oh yeah, you know, make sure you rinse your concrete, because chem sitting on it can cause it to discolor, and discolor bad. You know, one of the, you know, technically washing the house is pretty easy. The hard part is not damaging stuff. And I got a pretty good track record. 12 years, 12 years and no damage, luckily. And, you know, comes down to being careful. This house I've done many times over the years. And like I say, I see a couple spots I got to do, but and you'll notice I rinse from the top down. Like, I'm very familiar with this particular vinyl. It's pretty, you know, it's pretty resistant to any drips and all of that. I've never had any problems with it over the years. And, you know, it's probably, you know, 30 years old, this vinyl. But you get double your bang for the buck, because number one, when you start from the top, all of that chem is washing down and is potentially re-hitting all the spots you didn't hit the first time. And I like that. And that's the way I do it. You know, you're supposed to, when you're applying the chem, basically work from the bottom up. Especially, I would say, on darker vinyls. That's a real concern. On darker vinyls, oxidation is definitely a problem, and it's way more sensitive. But anyway, hope you found that helpful. Hit the like, subscribe for more upcoming videos. And I believe in the near distance, in the near future, I am going to, you know, get the X-Jet, the regular old standard one that you just plug the J-rod in. And however, I will be putting a link in. It will be there shortly, I'm sure, for this little mini J-rod I use, which is, you know, it's only around 20 something bucks, but it's worth its weight in gold, especially when you're downstreaming. You know, like my last injector went, and I ordered a couple, and I'll probably be doing a review on this fixed downstream injector. I purposely searched out for one with the ceramic ball. A lot of these things have steel balls, and you know, they stop working. And the adjustable ones, you know, they're really hit and miss. They're coming from a certain country, and they're known for not having that great a quality. I've had some that were bad out of the box, but I've also had some that would wash 50 houses in a row. So it's hit and miss, but you always want to back up. That's why I buy them 2 at a time. Anyway, with that being said, peace out, and to be continued. Have a great day. Hit that like.